Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll teach you how you can practice English even if you don't have any partner. Yes, you can improve your English by simply talking to yourself anytime, anywhere. You say, "Good morning, today I have many things to do. First, I will take a shower, then I'll make breakfast. After that, I'll start working on my tasks." This helps you think in English from the very first minute of your day. Stand in front of a mirror and talk like you're talking to a friend. You say, "Hey, how are you today?" You look confident. Let's speak clearly and fluently. Mirror practice improves confidence plus pronunciation. Whatever you are doing, say it in English. You say, "I am washing the dishes. I am arranging my clothes. I am cooking pasta. I am cleaning my room." This makes English natural and automatic. Practice emotional vocabulary. You say, "I'm feeling excited today. I'm a little tired, but I will still work hard. I'm proud of myself for learning English." It builds confidence plus fluency. Ask and answer your own questions. Example. You, what did I learn today? You, I learned 5 new words and practiced speaking. You, what are my goals for tomorrow? You, I want to speak for 10 minutes without stopping. This works like a real conversation. Create short stories and speak them out loud. Example. Once upon a time, a girl wanted to improve her English. She practiced daily, spoke to herself, and slowly became fluent. Stories improve vocabulary plus imagination plus fluency. Record your voice for 1 minute daily. You say anything. Today I learned new phrases. I practiced for 10 minutes. When you listen later, you can check your mistakes. So yes, you don't need any partner to learn English. You are your best partner. Talk to yourself. Think in English. Practice daily. And you will become fluent. Thanks for watching. If you want more English learning scripts, tell me in the comments.